water. This is a juice, superfood and cleanse. 15 grams of carbs. Will I be crazy if I do a little bit of fat burner, a little bit of pre-workout? Oh, I want to try couples yoga challenge. Hi guys, good morning. Today is going to be a what I eat in a day for weight loss, or shall I say fat loss is more fitting. Today is the 6th of August. I always like telling you guys what day it is. And it is actually 8:30. I feel like me and Ruben have been like waking up. We're also going to the gym later. There is 3 gyms I go to. One of them is like a circuit training gym. It's Ace Fitness here in Vegas. I highly recommend them. And then the other 2 are regular gyms. It's like a big chain gym where it gets packed and it's hard to film, especially because I work out like alone. And then the other one is more of a private lonely gym, but they don't have as much stuff. So I always find myself like conflicted with what to do. What did I put in my drinks today? This is Fat Burner by EHP. Oxy Shred is really good. I'm gonna take this right now, and as soon as I get there, try and finish it. This is 310 Nutrition. It's like a superfood pack. It's 15 calories. I was like, okay, this will be like my water today. I lost some of my Cancun vacation weight that I think I put on. I think I put on like a pound of just alcohol and like a lot of mojitos, alcohol. Kind of eating a little bit more freely. But today, gonna be getting on track. Today is a new week. It is Monday. Haley's paying attention to you. So, my camera died on me, yay! But I just got back from the gym. I did legs, booty, nothing you guys haven't seen before. I am in the process of looking for a new gym that's a little bit more filmable because chain gyms get really, really packed. I'm gonna go ahead and make myself a shake and do a post-workout meal. I actually really like the 310 juice from 310 Nutrition. This is what it looks like because it was still very like green tasting, but it still tasted kind of like a water mix. I don't like when things are too overpowering. For example, Ruben bought me this drama juice that I've been taking sips up like little by little. Literally from yesterday. So I'm going to be making myself a shake from 310. They did team up with me for this video and I'm really excited to be trying out their products for the entire day. I'll go ahead and give you guys a quick kind of overview of them. So they're known for having like weight loss success stories and they're known for catering to weight loss. They have different types of shakes. They sent me a few different flavors. This one is vanilla shy. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, shy. This one is a regular vanilla. And then this is their chocolate shake. And then I got the 2 big bags of vanilla and chocolate. And it's actually only 90 calories per shake, which is really, really good because most shakes are anywhere from between like 110 to like 120. Even my shake is 120. I mean, I will say it has more protein. So this one is 90 calories. I'll give you guys macros, 7 carbs, which is nothing, and 15 grams of protein. They also have these for your waters. They help control cravings, and I guess like kind of helps your appetite because sometimes your appetite is a little bit stronger than it should be if you've been overeating for a really long time. Time to test out the taste. Oh, it's good. It tastes natural. It almost has a plant taste to it in a good way. It's plant-based, so that might have something to do with it. Let me add. I like the taste. It's interesting. I don't know if it's for everybody, but it's very naturally but chocolatey. It's good. I'm the type of person that would prefer dark chocolate over regular chocolate, if that tells you anything. It's sugar-free, it's dairy-free, it is soy-free, egg-free, nut-free, gluten-free. 15 grams of pure highest quality protein, ingredients optimized for weight loss, 5 grams of patented prebiotic soluble fiber, naturally sweetened. Hi guys, I wanted to let you know everything that the starter kit comes with, as you can see here in the photo. Make sure to click the link below in my description box to get 70% off this entire 310 Nutrition starter kit, and if you use my code you will get free shipping on orders over $50. Alright, back to the video. And I will tag 310 somewhere here. If you guys are interested, you probably will see them throughout my video as I'm going to be trying out their other little packets. So this is the donut. Real quick, I want to say it's probably around like 230 calories, 12 grams of protein. I'll for sure list the macros here. 12 grams of protein, probably like 30 something grams of carbs, and like 4 to 5 grams of fat. And here I have my shake and my water, and I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. Gonna have lunch. It is 1:37. I showered, currently doing my makeup, and yeah, I have pollo loco that my beautiful husband brought me. Pollo loco. What is this called again?
Chicken avocado tortilla wrap with extra chicken.
Avocado tortilla wrap with extra chicken and no corn. Because I don't like corn. I get double chicken now with a lot of things. It just fills me up more. It's more protein. There we go. I'm gonna eat this, and then by the time you guys see me, I should have. This is Ruben's food.
This is the average American, what they eat.
Stop. Hey guys, so it is like midday, or pretty much close to evening. It is 6 p.m. I went ahead and finished that meal that you guys saw me eat, the pollo loco. I finished it about 40 minutes ago. I had half the burrito, and then I had the other half now, and now I'm having a Built bar, which is a protein bar. This is what it looks like. They sent them to me first to see how I like them. So they have 14 grams of carbs, 14 grams of protein, 15 grams of protein, and I want to say like 3 to 4 grams of fat. So that's pretty good. Macros, the calories are 110. That's currently what I'm doing right now.
I hope it comes out.
We got a gallon of water. Groundbreaking. So I have 2 coffees here. The Starbucks bottle. These are actually pretty expensive now that I think about it. They're like, what, $5? I basically picked up necessities. I drink this every single day. These are the Red Baron single pizza boats. This is kind of like, yeah, it's like a treat meal. When I have one, I kind of have to work around the rest of my macros for the entire day, just because they're pretty high in calories. This is the bread I eat. I have a lot of sandwiches with this. If you freeze your bread, it'll last longer. I got peppers. These are like vegetables that I try to just sneak in at least once a day. I should be having more, but these are ones that I actually really like. Spinach, regular spinach. I used to get baby spinach, but same thing almost. You might have seen me eat these natural Lunchables. I mean, it's really not though. Salmon. I think I say salmon. I would always say salmon because in Spanish it's salmon, but it's salmon. Tortillas. These are según carb choppers, so they're low carb for you. Let me not. Bitches. For you yitches that want to be keto lifestyle now. Oscar Mayer Deli Fresh turkey breast, very self-explanatory. This is my favorite sandwich type of meat. Dannon Light and Fit Original Greek yogurts. These are so good and they're really popular. I know a lot of people have heard of them already. I also got like one of my favorite cereals, which is Apple Jacks. I love these. I really do. By Kellogg's.
Yummy. Chips of the pop.
As far as what I'm gonna have for dinner tonight, actually I'm gonna have this. It looks really good. It's some type of ethnic rice we got here with steak. Yeah, this looks like this is steak. Carnivorous. And what is this? Help me out.
Bok choy.
What?
Bok choy.
Bok choy? Bok choy. Is it what is it, vegetable? As you guys know, I was working with 310, try out their products and let you guys know everything about their shakes and what I like about their products, etc. So starting off with breakfast, I had coffee, almond milk, regular black bottle coffee from Starbucks. Showed you guys those with almond milk, protein donut, the Dough Bar Donuts, .com, and then I had that again after I worked out. I had another donut, but I had it with the 310 shake, and I had the chocolate one, as you guys can see right here. All I did was mix it with some almond milk. ice, a little bit of water, and it was actually really, really good. And I will link 310 down below. I really recommend them, especially if you're trying to transition or you're trying to eat more plant-based items, more plant-based food. Whey could give you a lot of bloating. Whey could make you, shall I say, even feel kind of, you know, rumbly in the stomach area. And I didn't experience anything at all with the 310 shake. It actually was really, really nice in my stomach. So I actually had one of the 310 juices yesterday during my workout, and it was really good. I want to say it's around like 20 calories, really nothing, like 4 grams of carbs. I want to say their products to me were very feel good. It doesn't have caffeine, so there you go. It can boost your energy without caffeine. I really like 310, and I'll go ahead and link them down below. If I have a discount code, I'll go ahead and link it down below as well. If you guys try it out, let me know what you think. Again, it was really fun working with them. I'm definitely going to keep on using the products. You guys should see them more often in my snaps. I had Pollo Loco. I hadn't gone grocery shopping. I didn't have food at home. So I had Pollo Loco, and I had a chicken avocado tortilla wrap from there. And because I ordered more chicken, I got 35 grams of carbs. So if you're ever tracking something from fast food, sometimes be careful when it comes to like a chicken bowl. Sometimes they don't always give you as much protein as they claim they do. And then after that, a few hours, I had a Built Bar, which I should be working with Built Bar too soon. I'll let you guys know. And then for dinner, I had chicken breast. It's green chile verde chicken from You Are What You Eat meals with a little bit of mashed potatoes and green beans. And I also counted some of that Jamba Juice that I was drinking, like sipping on the day before and yesterday, a little bit, because it's important to track things like that. Believe it or not, smoothies are pretty high in calories. A quarter of that drink is 18 grams of carbs and 13 grams of sugar. If I was to have the entire thing, just so you guys know, it's 400 calories and 72 grams of carbs. Yes. It's funny because I still had 20 grams left of fat left. So I didn't really eat a lot of fats yesterday. I had more carbs. Alright, I was supposed to have a 1,580 calories because it was a higher carb day. It was a higher carb day because I did booty, and on my booty days I eat like almost 200 calories more, and that's usually goes into my carbs. 162 grams of carbs. Right now my lifesum is not really adjusting, and it's saying I should have only had 130 grams of carbs. I had 162, which means I went over like 15 grams of carbs. I was supposed to hit 150. I went over 12 grams of carbs, which is like nothing. My protein was 112. I was supposed to have hit 120. So I was like 10 grams low on my protein. And then my fat was 30 grams, which I wasn't even close to hitting my fat. My fat should have been at least 20 grams more. I'm kind of having trouble fitting my fats now. But that sums up my calories for the day. I think that the shake helped a lot with reducing my calories. As you guys saw, it was only 90 calories. So I don't know. I think I had a good little deficit day. I think I ate pretty good. I'm kind of proud of myself. I'm slowly eating more wholesome whole foods. Even if it is fast food, you could still make better decisions and get things like an avocado wrap with a little bit of salad and some vegetables inside than, like, you know, a turkey burger type of thing. Even though turkey burgers are healthy, and if you get vegetables in them, I always try and sneak vegetables in. Like, that's a big thing for me because I do like vegetables. It's just not my main priority, which I want that to change. So thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I will end it with some clips of the meal prep. If you guys are curious about that, I just want you guys to see the meals. If you're not subscribed and you'd like to be subscribed, join me here on YouTube. I would really appreciate it. Sincerely, a ton. My analytics be like only 50% of your viewers are subscribed. And I hate to be annoying, but subscribe please. It would mean a lot. Bye. Yeah, I got the truth, so the truth, you can see it.